340 large excavator is best-in-class production with low owning and operating costs. The new 340 meets special needs like digging dirt, moving rocks, or shaping distant slopes and ditches. Up to 20% larger bucket capacity versus the previous 336, 2.3 cubic meter for reach configuration and 2.6 cubic meter for mass configuration. This improved payload capacity has a direct impact into productivity. The right cat bucket with the right bucket tips improve penetration with less digging effort and with faster cycle time. Both the pin-on grabber coupler and the CW45 dedicated coupler are available to host a variety of buckets, hammers, and other attachments, depending on what application or task on the job site. Booms and sticks are built with internal baffle plates, robotic welds, multi-plate fabrications and castings, and forgings are used in high-stress areas. Reach booms and sticks have been reinforced with thicker plates to enhance durability and carry heavier work tools. Optional boom and stick lowering check valves prevent reverse flow, keeping your front leakage security in place should the hydraulic system unexpectedly lose power. Right-hand side rear camera or 360 camera system integrated and protected from damage to reduce the risk of blind spots. The filter models have parts commonality similar across the next generation excavator range to ease the management of stock and increase parts availability. Improved ergonomically designed steps allows better access to reach the engine compartment and top area of the 340. Higher, more visible safety railing comes standard for 3 points of contact. Plus, additional anti-skid plates for safety are available if there is a need to climb upon the 340. Optional engine oil sensor that displays the information on the monitor instead of climbing up the upper platform to access the oil dipstick. Electro-hydraulic main valve that provides required flexibility to limit restriction, so energy waste, reducing operating costs. Higher hydraulic power that reduces the cycle time when digging and swing loaded. Reinforcements in the swing frame, bottom guard, travel motor guard, and swivel guard to improve durability and reliability, whatever the environment on the job site. The filter models have parts commonality similar across the next generation excavator range to ease the management of stock and increase parts availability. Cooling system on demand to reduce fuel consumption with reversing capability that can be activated by operator or automatically on a regular basis to ease radiator core cleaning to maintain required cooling capacity. Can access service points with ease. Daily maintenance checks are at ground level for quick and easy reach as you open the left side compartment. Optional autonomous electric air heater connected to the batteries to warm up the air going to the engine to ease the engine startup in cold conditions. .360 view optional. High-resolution touchscreen monitor coupled with an intuitive user interface that simplifies the machine use for all controls and warning functions with operator ID access, jog dial control with an electronic version of the operation and maintenance manual, and with 42 languages available. Configurable joysticks that can be saved under each operator ID. Push button start. Spacious and redesigned cab common across all CAT, track, and wheeled excavators with enlarged and new right-hand side components with layout windows for an increased visibility that will bring higher productivity and safety to the operator. Different operating power modes, Eco Mode, Power Mode, Smart Mode, are workload optimization features which allows the machine to have an auto-regulation of power and speed according to the job or application requirements, thus reducing fuel consumption. Integrated CAT technology like CAT Grade with 2D, 2D Advance, 3D Grade with Assist, Payload, Lift Assist, and E-Fence.